Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the best PS5 games you absolutely need to play in 2024. With a plethora of amazing titles released last year, the PlayStation 5 continues to deliver some of the most immersive gaming experiences. We've curated a list based on standout features, improvements, and player feedback to bring you the ultimate gaming lineup. So, let's jump right in. First up, swinging into action, we have Spider-Man 2. This game took the web-slinging experience to new heights, allowing players to embody both Peter Parker and Miles Morales seamlessly. The improved visuals, combat mechanics, and the addition of new features make it a must-play for any Spidey fan. Next on our list is Alan Wake 2. This gripping survival horror game plunges players into a dark and eerie alternate dimension. The shift from action to survival horror amps up the tension, delivering a spine-chilling experience that's perfect for thrill seekers. Now, for those hungry for more epic adventures, the Valhalla DLC for God of War Ragnarok deserves a spot on your gaming radar. It's not just your typical add-on content, it brings new combat elements, enemies, and surprises, almost feeling like a whole new game. Venturing into the breathtaking world of Pandora, Avatar. Frontiers of Pandora offers an open-world experience that's a visual spectacle. With seamless parkour mechanics and a storyline that feels more like a movie, this game is a treat for Avatar fans and open-world enthusiasts alike. Magic enthusiasts, brace yourselves for Hogwarts Legacy. Set in the enchanting world of Harry Potter, this game captures the wizardry and magic of the series flawlessly. From exploring Hogwarts grounds to casting spells, this RPG promises an immersive experience for Potterheads. For those diving back into Night City, Cyberpunk 2077's Phantom Liberty DLC has transformed the game remarkably. Offering a new district, storyline, and numerous improvements, it's an update that breathes new life into the Cyberpunk universe. Continuing the Jedi saga, Star Wars Jedi. Survivor delivers an action-packed adventure set 5 years after its predecessor. With enhanced exploration, combat mechanics, and customization options, it's a journey every Star Wars fan should embark upon. And there you have it, folks. The top PS5 games to grace your screens in 2024. Each title offers a unique experience, whether you're swinging through New York City as Spider-Man or navigating the magical halls of Hogwarts. These games redefine immersive gaming and deserve a spot in your collection. Which of these games are you most excited to play? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming content. Until next time, happy gaming.